Okay, guys, you've got 30 seconds to think about what are the parts of the scientific method that you've just heard about in that video. When that time's up, you'll discuss with your partner what the parts of the scientific method are. Okay, guys, next you've got 30 seconds to think about what makes a good hypothesis, and then you're going to discuss with your partner what makes a good hypothesis. Whoa, that was a big one. Next, you can have a think about how can you use research to help you with your investigation. You can tell your partner in 30 seconds' time. When you've done that, you're now going to watch another video. Phew, that was a long video. Now, can you tell me what is a gut feeling useful? What is reliable data? How can you know that you don't know something? And I want to end with a quote here from Brian Cox. It says, "The problem with today's world is that everyone believes they have the right to express their opinion and have others listen to it. The correct statement of individual rights is that everyone has the right to an opinion, but crucially, that opinion can be roundly ignored and even made fun of, particularly if it is demonstrably nonsense."